And lightning strikes really aren't all that unusual, even though they do look dramatic for any pictures that you might have seen out there. When an aircraft's struck by lightning, there's typically an entry point. Because the aeroplane is travelling at quite a speed, there might be several of those, but the electricity is carried safely along the outside. I've certainly experienced lightning strike in my time flying, but all we did notice was a quick flash, nothing dramatic, and really the airplane was completely unaffected.
So believe it or not, the aircraft is actually designed to be struck by lightning. It's designed so the electricity path will flow through the structure of the aircraft and out what we call static wicks. So every aircraft is fitted with static wicks, normally on the trailing edges. They're designed to dissipate the build-up of static electricity, which happens naturally through the friction of the air on the aircraft, and also in a lightning strike situation, they will dissipate the lightning strike energy as well. Normally, they'll do a pretty good job of it, and there won't be any issues. If there is an issue, we'll get small burn marks on the aircraft, which are also not an issue.
And in my case, we experienced a short flash just outside the flight deck. None of the systems or displays or any part of the aeroplane was affected, and we actually didn't note any damage when the aeroplane arrived. So we didn't have any reports from our passengers. We always like to get on the PA and certainly reassure them to let them know everything's normal, and these things do happen from time to time.
Whoa! Ooh, that's gonna be loud. senhor já pegou aqui na frente, dá uma porrada uma vez lá. O galinhão foi foda. Boa, peguei o cara ali.
Holy shit! I just got that.
The second one.
I do need to ask you to once again ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Bring your seatbelt.
Oh.
What are you doing?